Hi, I'm Evelina with Adrenaline Junkies. Today I am going to show you the naked CanAm. We took everything out of that. We have the 2022 CanAm Maverick Trail Sport. We have one that's dirty and one that's not dirty. So what we did is we took out the engine and we swapped them. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like with no car parts in it. You guys ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, over here we have 2022. Look at all that. This is very, very dirty. And then on this side, we have the one that's clean that we're putting the motor in. So let me show you what it looks like on the inside. Okay. So we took off all the tires. This is dirty. I like to take everything apart and clean every single individual piece. This is what it looks like with everything taken out and dirty. This has the new clutches on it, the motor in there. We're gonna put that in next. I'm gonna work on that this morning. Get everything attached. Everything nice and shiny. And then I started detailing everything. Look how shiny that is. I'm just so proud of myself. Yeah. It's gonna look sharp. So we're also gonna add the roof. I'm gonna be adding a whole new roof to this. And also I took out the regular seat belts and we're gonna put in harnesses into the front. New wheels, new tires. And the scary part is when we go to turn it on. This bitch better work or my videos are going to suck. Okay, so today we are going to be attaching the rest. We're actually going to be attaching this into there, and I hope it runs. Okay, stay tuned for when we turn it on and put everything else on here. Okay, see ya.